Okay. Yo. Let's get back to this. We're back. Okay, so that was a call, very excitingly, from Getaround. We're going to a racetrack tomorrow, and I wanted to drive down in a Tesla with the new autopilot. So, I have some bad news about that route you posted. It's still too new. So this one's too new for a different reason. See that? Pulled data but still can't get sat position, something is wrong. So what's happening is we're downloading from NASA's servers all of the ephemeris data. The problem is NASA hasn't updated for that. So does anybody have a gray panda route from like yesterday? Like there's no sound? What? You can't hear me. Oh, there is sound. Okay, good. You can hear me, right? All right, it's working good. All right, you got sound. All right, you all got sound. You broke your shit. All right, so we need an older route. Gotta go older. Gotta go older than that one. Who wants to volunteer an older route? I think one day we can do, but this is still from today. Though, I don't know, I don't understand this pulled data but still can't get sat position. Let's take a look at the code. In get sat info. This is all going to be open sourced. If elif self auto update. Yeah, it has to be a gray panda with an antenna. No, you don't need two gray pandas. One gray panda is good. Okay. Pulled data but still can't get sat position. Something is wrong. Harold, why doesn't this work? Pedestrians are mapped too? Show us your Yeezys. All right, who wants to volunteer a new route? Post it on Slack and I will use it. You need to have a gray panda and it needs to be more than a day old. Yeah, so the problem is it didn't get the location of the sats, right? So here what happens when I try to run it is, look, okay, it brings up the mapping interface. It downloads this stuff, but it can't download this yet.
Are you periscoping?
Yeah, you want the Periscope?
Yeah.
I'm using a new thingy.
I was about to say, you should let the Scopies know that this looks so solid because of your new
thingy. I was showing off the thingy in one of the deleted
Courtesy
Scopies. Yeah, no, just a gray panda. Just a gray panda's good. But no, Harold's not here.
Move it all around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, look at how stable. Getaround called.
Did they expedite?
No. They're like, I can't make any guarantees. They like took some information down to make me feel important.
Really?
Yeah. Smooth, right? The Scopies like it. All right, so who wants to post a route in the Slack that they want to volunteer? Yeah, so it's just right now, pulled data but still can't get sat position. Something is wrong. Okay. Oh, we got a newer one. Now,
By the way, this brings you one step closer to being a vlogger.
I'm a vlogger, just like my hero Logan Paul and PewDiePie. All right, let's try this one. Oh, no, that didn't work at all. Oh, see guys, we still have a lot of work to do on our mapping. I don't know what the problem with this one is. What's your dongle ID? You gotta give me a dongle ID. I can look it up in secret user admin tool, but I don't know why that one didn't work. That one just screamed at me. Oh, that might have been during the great database outage. You should see a segment. No, it's Python exceptions. The mapper is really flaky right now. We're gonna make it work though. We're gonna get it to work on one route. So Larry, I need your dongle ID. I don't have a good way to search for it. Okay, I'm gonna let's move the Scopies over here. Oh, sweet, we got it. Okay, we got a dog lady. All right, let's type that in here. And then let's try like minute 12. Let's try minute 5. Oh, come on, work. Oh, this is exciting, okay. It's running log. Oh, that's way long ago. Now, I don't know if way long ago is going to work. But okay, all right, it's caching your frames. This is exciting. It's got to run a few logs. Let's go. It's very exciting, I know. All right. But you guys, when it starts making maps, it gets super exciting. All right. We'll move the mapper over to this screen here. So it's waiting for images now. And so it's got to finish processing the logs. Now, the one that might fail is called Mesh 3D. Okay, so this is Mesh 3D now. Okay, we're downloading all the data from NASA. Oh yeah, download data from NASA. Come on, data from NASA. Now, basically, if your route makes it through all of this, that means it's a gold star minute. Okay, all right, we're downloading from NASA. This is pretty exciting. All right, NASA's a little slow today. This mapping is brought to you by Pure Leaf Unsweetened Black Tea. The purest. Why do we need ephemerized data? So we know. Oh, we're mapping. Oh, yeah, we're mapping. Okay, so now it's trying to get a fix. Let's see if it can get a fix. Oh, it hasn't gotten a fix for a while now. This is another bug we need to fix. Oh, but this is the closest we've been so far. Come on, get a fix. See, it's trying to initialize.
Does it work?
No, we won't be open sourcing the mapping pipeline. We will be open sourcing the localization code, though. Oh, well, yeah, you got to map backwards. You guys don't know the trick?
Yeah, everyone has to drive backwards now.
You got to drive backwards. Yeah, Larry drives backwards. He knows how to map. Okay, but it's not actually mapping yet. Let's try a different one. Let's try the previous minute. But this route's the furthest we've gotten so far. Okay. All right, it's downloading the shit from NASA.
And failing too.
Not everything always downloads from NASA. Only the ones that fail it prints now. It used to print them all. Yeah, I changed it. Why backwards for mapping? Basically, it's very easy to get the depth of things that are close and not the things that are far away. You can also use a camera pointing backwards. Works pretty well. But yeah, okay, so it's running Mesh 3D. I have a feeling that there's just a lot of bugs in Mesh 3D. That's why I think it's not working. Oh, it's mapping! Oh, it's mapping, you guys! Oh, it's mapping! Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so if you see here, the red is what the gray panda's saying, and the blue is what the camera's saying. And this is, of course, in full 3D.
Lights.
Oh, you see the traffic lights over there?
That's really good.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah. So you see those traffic lights there? They correspond to those traffic lights there. Yo. Okay, guys, we're mapping. Yo, I'm telling you, every mapping company, they're going to cry when they see how good this is. How many map point per feet? I mean, you can look at all the map points. We're really not skimping on the data here. Okay, so it looks like we just kind of spent a lot of time chilling at this light.
We're sitting in virtual traffic.
We're going to sit in virtual traffic. We spend a lot of time at comma sitting in virtual traffic. I know, right? Those traffic lights are mapped. Like now we know exactly where in the world they are. See, the ones back there, the ones over here. No, we do sparse maps, not dense maps.
And you can go into your Commute Explorer and label the stoplights.
Your Commute Explorer. We can't promise the scopies too much.
Oh, well.
Yeah, you want to say hi?
Hello.
This is Eli wrote the mapping. The next thing I'm about to show you when we look at the maps. You guys know Andy over there?
Wait, have you tried it?
What?
I don't know if it works.
Yeah, I've been trying it.
Okay. Cool.
There's some really exciting mapping stuff coming
Oh,
up.
they love the mapping.
The mapping will soon be available in a More familiar.
Yeah.
More familiar way.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at those.
Oh, look at those. Look at those. Look how precise that is, guys. This stuff is accurate to 10 centimeters. Like each one of these points. Like, okay, well, there's a tiny disparity there. Will comma V2V blockchain be open sourced? Who said blockchain?
V2V blockchain.
Who said V2V blockchain?
Holy shit, that's a
Yeah, I
good
gotta
idea.
wait.
I think
V2V
that's what
blockchain.
Nexar's
I
building,
gotta
yeah.
wait for 3 confirmations to change lanes.
But yeah, no, so that's the map. Okay, so we'll give it a little bit more time. Larry coming through with the map. This is a user route. This isn't even my route.
Beautiful.
We do get your pictures in color, but the maps are only made in black and white right now. We should make color maps.
I think color maps are fake news.
Color maps are
I
fake
don't
news?
believe in color.
Yeah, you don't believe in color?
Most of the information's in the water channel.
Yeah, okay, that's kind of true. That's why we spend more compressor bits on it. All right, so this is like a real 3D map. And then what we're going to see, assuming the next step works, is we're going to insert all of these points. Yeah, this is for self-driving. This is so we can know exactly where every car in the world goes. And by knowing that, we can train models better. We can offer things like traffic lights and stop signs. And all you need to make all of this possible, all you need to make all this possible is an Eon and a gray panda. Do you map trees too? We do map trees. Though we do also know that they're trees. We run the SegNet sometimes, but the SegNet takes even longer. So if you thought this mapping was slow, we're going to run this, of course, on 1 million machines in Azure. How were features selected from a city in Oregon? How are features selected? Yeah, well, then you don't need to rely on lane markings. Mapping's pretty good. See, like, we know exactly where that car traveled, right? So what's really cool is, Larry, I don't know if you drove through there on another day, but if you drove through the same place, we can try to even localize the two with respect to each other. So this is a derivative of an open source program called OrbSlam. We're using some parts of it. We're using an optimizer called G2O. Oh, sorry for the charge cable in view. Yeah, you do have the charge cable. Don't worry, it's not finding any features on that. Have we used up Azure free credits? No, we still have more. But yeah, no, we're making maps. So you see we're hacking the poses in. We're running pose optimization to make sure that's all good. We're computing the camera's calibration at every step. Do we map lanes? Yeah, you see we're mapping lanes right now. You see all the features on the lanes? So we know that they're lanes from our segmentation network. Okay, so now it's writing the map to the disk, and then it's going to put the map in the database. Oh, and then we can figure out where that was. What if there's a roadblock? The maps are cool. We like the maps. Global maps, yeah. No, we're not going to start using thousands of eons. Okay, cool. So that's done. All right, so now we're inserting the map into the database. Cool, okay. So we have the origin here. So let's go in here. I don't want to close Slack. I'm going to close Twitter. We don't need Twitter. We never need Twitter. So I can copy and paste the origin of the map here so we can know kind of where we're going to have to look. All right over here is the start of the route. All right, so where are we? Oh, we are up in Oregon. Oh, we're up in Oregon. All right, cool. Right between Eugene and Portland. Sounds good. So we're going to insert keyframes. Now we're inserting all of those points into the map. Now this is, of course, going to run at massive scale. This is me just testing it on one computer. We're going to run this automatically as part of our pipeline when all your routes come in. And they're going to contribute to the map. All right, let's go to the map now. It might totally be wrong. This is very beta stuff. All right, there we go. We got some points up there up in Oregon. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. Oh, yeah. So see, green is where the car went. It loads everything in. Yeah, so basically your car is going to live stream load this all in. Oh no, I clicked. Oh no, a mouse slip. A mouse slip, you guys. A mouse slip. Up, up, up. Okay, we're going back. All right, we're on our way to Oregon. It's going to take a little bit to get there. Oh, wow, we got a lot of scopies. Up, up. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's go back. Okay, so we have a bunch of different maps down here. Like we track disengagements on this map. We'll just go down here to Orb Slam. All right, so we'll go up here, back to Oregon. Oh yeah, here we go. And here is that segment that we just mapped. I won't slip with the mouse this time. I'll be very precise with my movements. Yeah, and that's full 3 dimensions. So you can see how well the lane markings line up with the road. Pretty well. So these are the trees. We should give these all color. We can go down here and we're building a full 3D map. So you see that these maps are actually accurate to which lane you're in. They're more accurate than the satellite imagery. You're gonna see it if you zoom up. See, those are the maps of the trees. What does the point fix at? I don't know what that does, but for the people who just showed up, let's try mapping another one of those segments. Just got to run a few frame caches, but yeah. So that's what our complete maps of the world are going to look like. We're going to go a lot further with this. We're going to add color. We just got this working tonight, guys. This will be available to everybody. This is the kind of stuff we're going to open source. And then we're going to provide an API for people to localize within the map. And you know, there's just so much stuff that's possible with this technology. Yeah. So everybody who has a gray panda and an Eon will be mapped. And yeah, I mean, that's what the Gold Star Minute program is for. So if we go over here to our medium, we can look at the Gold Star Minute. Every route that matches these requirements. Here we go, look, we're mapping another segment here. Why Gray Panda? Because we have to know not just where you are locally, but where you are globally. Here we are making another map. We only have one camera, so you're subject to things like scale drift. No, Gray Pandas are not in stock. They will be in stock at the end of the month. But yeah, look at all those points on that house. It's gonna be a nice map. All right, guys. Mail a gigantic big gold star. Maybe we will mail a gigantic big gold star to whoever gets the most. You have to be updated to 4.3 as well. So Gray Panda, Eon, openpilot 4.3. 4.31, check it out. It's in Devel right now. How many gray at the end of the month? We're getting 250, and then we're going to get another 1,000 at the end of next month. So there's going to be tons and tons of Gray Pandas available for you people to buy. All right, guys, I'm going to show you something else kind of cool. I'm going to show you something else that just blows my mind. We're going to head downstairs. I'm on Wi-Fi. Oh, here's my Amazon review of a panda. I gave it 3 stars. We need to work to make it 5 stars. What has Eddie been up to? Oh, we don't talk about what Eddie's up to. But we will talk about this, guys. Welcome to the comma.ai. Stop. Have you ever seen more eons? Eon. Eons, 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 eons of eons. These things are moving, man. We're moving weight. Eons are just shipping. We got a bunch of midnight blacks over here. There's 10 eons in each one of these boxes, so we literally have hundreds of eons. Eons, 4 days. Sorry if it's frozen. Are my investors happy? You'll have to ask them. Whoops. All right, guys, I'll come out of the closet. Am I unfrozen? You seen our testing closet? Sure you guys seen our testing closet? Cool. Yeah, I'm out of the closet, yeah? Sweet. You guys know the 3D printer land. Here we are in 3D printer land. Out that room, yeah, we're out of that room. Yeah, San Francisco, 3D printer land. Woo! So smooth. Love this thing. Show you guys the GPU farm? All right, we'll show the GPU farm. GPU farm's over here, behind me. Really in those computers down there. Where's Fillmore? Let's see where Fillmore is. We got Cam, we got Geo, we got Pistachio. No! Is Fillmore broken? Oh, there's Fillmore. He's right there. There's Fillmore. Fillmore, right there. Yeah, the Corsair cases are pretty nice, right? All right, guys. Thanks for joining. That was mapping. This is Periscope. Make sure, oh, forward updates. Yeah, no, we're not up to forward updates yet. Yeah, guys. Check out, you know, always comma.ai/shop. Buy stuff, buy merch. And guys, if you think the map is good now, like we just got that working tonight. We're going to continue to work on that. We're hiring. We came into some money recently. So we are hiring. If you're good or you know anyone who's good, we're hiring 4 people for the maps. No, we're hiring like a serious team. And I'm going to give it all away. We're going to give it all away. We're going to give it all away because maps should be free. So if you work at a mapping company or at a LiDAR company, be afraid because comma.ai is coming for you. Get your Eons, get your great pandas, help out in the greatest open sourcing mapping effort in history. You thought Waze was good. This is Waze 2.0. This is way better. How higher? Thanks, guys.